Hello friends, I am Arpita. Welcome to my channel Jharnat Gallery. Hope you are all well. Whenever you want to draw something, search Jharnat Gallery in YouTube and get so many beautiful scenery and subject drawings with easy drawing steps. So, without wasting your time, let's see what we draw today. Today I draw the scenery of Raksha Bandhan. Let's start. Today, along with the drawing, I will tell you some interesting facts about Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is also known as Rakhi Purnima or Rakhi. Most people like to say Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan represents the bond of love that exists between brothers and sisters. It is also a symbol of the responsibility that brothers have to protect their sisters throughout their lives. The thread that the sister ties on her brother's wrist, it denotes the bandhan part in Raksha Bandhan. It stands for the two-part bond and is a symbol of protection of or Raksha, which the younger sister wants for her brother. Nobel Prize winner Rabindranath Tagore used the festival Raksha Bandhan to maintain peace and harmony between Hindus and Muslim community during 1905 partition of Bengal. The festival of Rakhi is also celebrated in USA, Sri Lanka and Nepal due to its beautiful nature of representing a universal bond between sisters and brothers. It is mainly celebrated by Hindus and Jains in India and around the world. It is also jointly organized by other religions including Muslims, Sikhs, Buddhists and Christians. According to Hindu mythology, we all know that Devi Saraswati and Devi Laxmi are two sisters of Lord Ganesha and Lord Kartikeya. So today I draw this. Now I use black sketch pen for highlighting the drawing. So sketching is complete. Now it's time to color it. I use oil pastel colors to color it. Let's see. I also used color pencils to color it. Let's see. Use light yellow color. Use orange color. Use primary red color. Use deep green color. Use light green color. Use cerulean blue hue color. Use light blue color. Now I use cotton earbuds for smoothing the color. Use dark brown color. Use brown color. Use yellow ochre color. Use primary red color. Use deep yellow color. Use orange color. Use violet color. Use white color. Use rose pink color. Use pink color pencil. Use flesh tint color pencil. Use yellow ochre color. Use brown color. Use rose pink color. Use deep green color. Use primary red color. Use light green color. Use orange color pencil. Use yellow color pencil. Use grey color pencil. Use black color pencil. Use cerulean blue hue color. Use grey color pencil. Use black color. Use deep green color. Use light green color. Use black color. Use cerulean blue hue color. Use deep green color. Use red color pencil. Use black color pencil. Use red color pencil. Use deep yellow color. Thank you so much for watching till end. If the video was helpful for you, then please like the video and leave a comment. Please subscribe our channel for more drawing videos and press the bell icon for further notification. See you in another new video. Now you can follow me on social media. Links are in description below. Thank you. Take care.